Super cute play mat. It's huge and larger than a full-size mattress. It's a foam material. The print is super adorable. It has a print design on both sides. It's foldable and comes in a carrying bag. Bane's baby play mat is cute and attractive, and we would highly recommend if you have kids for the following reasons. Compact design, can be quickly folded and stow away. Soft-Tex PE foam, which is a new kind of cross-linked polyethylene that is considered to be safe for kids. Non-slip-on hardwood FL. It's perfect. Easy fold and unfold. Large and perfect cushioning. My baby is 10 months and just started crawling. Because we have tile floors, it is really cold and rough on his knees, and I needed a pad large enough to cover the area I made for a playroom. This way he can join his big brother while he plays with his kitchen and car table, and it's the perfect size and color for the room. Other options I looked at were smaller and more expensive, plus the way this folds up is a huge space saver and easily portable to take with you. Easy to clean and fold. I would recommend this play mat. Love this play mat. This is a fun addition to a child's room. The mat is foldable and comes in a carrying bag, so it can easily be carried around or put away when not in use. One side has adorable animals and a height-measuring dinosaur, or purple giraffe. The other side has roads, houses and vehicles. Both sides are textured and have letters and numbers embossed, although our mat had those upside down on the side with the animals. Both sides offer lots of play and learn opportunities. You can slide cars or little toys along the roads to visit houses. You could count cars, or windows, or trees. You could compare sizes, find the smallest, biggest tree, for example, reinforce colors, numbers and letters, play I Spy with my little i2 construction vehicles, or find out. Lots of things to explore, find, and learn. The foam is nice and thick and protects your little one from cold hard floors, and protects your floors from accidental spills, etc. The mat is leak-proof and easily wipes clean. It's perfect. I love this, and my baby too. Absolutely love this mat. We were looking for something to help protect our daughter as she learns to walk. This mat is soft, large and offers a great footing for a baby or toddler. Click link in description for more reviews.